On Genesis, Hyundai and Kia we read the engine ECU, the transmission ECU, and then the central gateway. All the ECUs are clean after using the super mileage filter. In the engine there is the particulate filter and the catalytic converter. They continue to count for themselves, but you can reset the learning values for these two devices with the universal diagnostic tester. This is basically possible with many vehicles. Then the actual mileage is no longer visible in any memory. In all ECUs, clean the insertion process of the super mileage filter before removing it. Reset the parameters in the learned values with the universal diagnostic tester. Then you can remove the filter and clear all errors again. After this procedure, all ECUs are without mileage deviations.